Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Math. In this video, we'll see class 6, a topic estimation. What is estimation? This is one word, one concept we are using in our daily life, day-to-day life, but without knowing its meaning or without using the exact word is estimation. But every time we use, all the time we use the estimated value in our life. Let us see an example. For example, you're buying a shoes and you're paying rupees 648 rupees. You would have paid for the shoes. And after a few days, somebody's asking you, looking at the shoes, hey, nice shoes you're wearing. How much did you pay for these shoes? Will you remember the exact money which you have paid? And we would say, oh, is it somewhere around 600 I paid? Don't we say? Will you tell the exact amount? No, we'll tell the nearest value of it. For this, we won't say, if you have paid 648 rupees, we won't say I paid 200 or you won't say we paid 1000. We will tell the nearest value. That is only estimation, the rounded value, the close value. Suppose nowadays we see in the news, TV news and paper news and all, a cricket match was watched by 10,000 audience in the stadium. What does it mean? Does it mean there were exactly 10,000 people in the stadium? It may be around 9,869 people would have been there, or it may be 8,000 something, or it may be even below, about 10,000, around 11,000 something. But we get the nearest, 10,000 is the nearest value. Even if it is 11,000 or 9,000, this 10,000 is the nearest value of the exact number of people were in the stadium. So what is estimation? It is the nearest value of the original number. Now suppose you got a fridge for your home costing 12,980. Now after a few days, if you want to recall the money you paid for the fridge, how would you think? Will you remember the exact value? No, but definitely we will remember we paid somewhere around 12,000 or so. Isn't it? Will you think we got the fridge for only 5,000? Or can you remember it like this? You got the fridge for 20,000 or so? No, 5,000 is too less, 20,000 is too high for the original value. But we will say we will definitely remember the nearest value 12,000. So this estimation always give the nearest value, closest value. And very recently you would have heard in the TV news and all, people affected by COVID-19 around 10 lakh, 15 lakhs, 3 lakhs like that. What does it mean? It is an approximate value of the original number. So even though we are not using the word estimate exactly, the meaning of it, we are using the words like about, it was about, the shoes was about, there were around 10,000 people in the stadium, it was nearly, the price was nearly, and approximately 10,000 people were affected and 15,000 people were discharged from the hospitals after COVID-19 treatment. So such words about, around, nearly and approximately, these are the words we use to mean estimation. So this estimation always gives, it is not the actual value, but it gives the nearest value. With this, we can, estimation is very much used in a daily life to plan many things. We need to estimate many things to have an idea or to have a plan. For example, suppose you think you are having your birthday next month and you want to plan for the birthday party. So what do we need? We need to plan for it. We need to have an idea about it. So what do we do first? How much you need? We just calculate. Maybe for the dress around 500. We suppose your dress may be costing 538 rupees. But when you are planning, we won't be putting the same exact value. What? We'll put the approximate, the nearest value. And for the chocolates, we may be spending 200. It may cost above or below, little above 200 or little below 200. It may cost 190 also. 1 kg of chocolates. But when we are planning, we put the nearest value, isn't it? And you're ordering a cake. You're planning for your birthday party. How much money you need it for the party. So we put it 400. It may go a little above 400 or it may be sometimes it be less than 400 also. But while you're planning, what do? We put the estimated value. What is estimated value? It is the nearest value to have an idea about it. Suppose if you ask a parent, this is at the at our level, this is very small event. Suppose you think of building a house or whitewashing your house. If you ask your parents, they will plan how much we need for the paint, around 10,000, and how much the things to buy to brush, for brushes and all, the things we need to whitewash, maybe 2,000 rupees. It may go a little above 2,000 or below 2,000. Then the labor charge, you have to pay for the people who whitewash your house, maybe around 6,000. And we see the total and see how much you need it. So like this, estimation in day-to-day life is very much important to plan the events, right from the small things like birthday party to the greater things like organizing big functions like festivals, marriages, etc. So it is part of our life estimation. We do use every day in our life for something or the other. So how do we estimate? We estimate to nearest tens. If the amount is less, if the number is small, we estimate to nearest tens. If it's a little bigger than that, nearest hundreds, nearest thousand, nearest 10,000, and so on. To any amount of number, the given number can be estimated. Now let us see how to estimate to nearest tens. Suppose you take the numbers from 10, 11, 12 up to 20. Suppose you are buying a pencil which costs 12 rupees. Then what would you tell the price of the pencil? If you're telling the nearest value, will it say it is 10 rupees or 20 rupees? So we have to check. This 12 is very nearest to, I've told you estimated means the nearest value. So 12 is nearest to 10 or 20. Yes, it is close to 10. So the estimated value of 12 is 10. And same way 11, 12, 13, 14, all these are close to 10 than to closer to 10 than to 20. So these 11, 12, 13, 14 are estimated to 10. Okay. Then suppose if your pencil costs 16 rupees, then 16 is nearest to which number? 10 or 20, it is nearest to 20. So if your something is costing 16 rupees, 17, 18, 19, then we estimate to 20 because they are nearest to 20. Suppose if it costs 15 rupees, the mid value between 10 and 20, then how do you estimate? Always the mid value is estimated to the higher number, the next number 20, not the lower number, not the lower tens, the higher tens. So this is how we estimate. If the ones place, you observe ones place, this is ones and tens. It is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We estimate to the next 10. If it is 10 means next 10 is 20. Suppose if we are having a number between 20 and 30, say 23. How do you estimate this? To the nearest tens, 29 mid value is 25 and 23 is close to 20. So 23 is estimated to 20. You say 28, it is close to 30. So 28 is estimated to 30. And what about 25, the mid value? 28 is estimated to 30 because it is close to 30. And 25 mid value, yes, always it is estimated to the higher tens, that is 30. The mid value is also estimated to the higher value, 30. So if the ones places 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we estimate to the next 10. The next, if it is 10, 20. If it is 20, 30. If it is 45, it is 50. If it is 75, it is 80. If it is 33, it is less than 10. So the same tens, 30, lowest number. Okay, and if the ones place is 1, 2, 3, 4, so less than 5, then we estimate it to the same tens. So we'll see in hundreds place how to estimate on hundreds. Suppose you are having from 100, 101, 102 up to 200. Okay, now for 102, how it is estimated? Because the mid value is 150. So below the mid value, all these numbers are estimated to the same 100 till 149. Till the number 149, it is estimated to 100. From 150, all these are estimated to 100. From 150 to 199, they are estimated to 200 because they are close to 200. And below 150 are nearest to 100, so estimated to 100. And above 150 they are nearest to 200, so they estimated to 200. Now, let us see, before we go into the exercise, let's see some examples of how to estimate. Now, for example, you are given a number 453. Estimation, rounding off, both are same. Round off the numbers or estimate the numbers, all mean the same. Round off the numbers and estimate the numbers, the meaning is the same. Okay. So, here 453, nearest tens. What do you mean by nearest tens? 10, we have to estimate to the tens place. So, first thing, you underline tens place. Underline the tens place. And look at the next number. Check whether it is more than 5 or less than 5. Yes, what is this 3? It is less than 5. So, we have to write the same 10. And the number before this underlined digit as it is. And because it is less than 5, we write the same tens, and after the underlined digits, the numbers become 0. So 453 is nearest to 450. This is the estimated value of 453, rounded off value of 453. Suppose next is 845, hundreds place. So what place is given? Hundreds. So which one will you underline? You have to underline hundreds place. After underlining the given place, you check the next number, which is less than 5. So what to do? Write the same 8 as it is. After the underlined digits, whatever numbers you have, they become 0. So 845 is 800. That means 845 is nearest to 800 than to 900. 453 is nearest to 450 than compare with 460. Okay, now nearest thousands. Which is thousands place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Underline whatever place is given, you underline that digit. And look at the next number. See, it is 5. When it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we should write the next number, next thousand. So what comes after 4? 5. And what happens to the number, previous number for the underlined digit? That as it is. Here before 8, we don't have any number. So we start with 8. And here before 5 we had 4, write the 4 as it is. And here before the underlined digit we have one number 4, write that as it is. And instead of 4, what you should write? Because the next number is 5, you add 1 with this number. 4 plus 1 is 5. And the rest of the digits after the underlined digits, they become 0, 0, 0. So it is 45,000. 44,560 is nearest to 45,000. Okay, and the next one you check 10,000s place. Which is 10,000s place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s place is this 5. So what do you do? You tell me now what to do. The number before the underlined digits as it is, and whether to write same 5 or the next number. For that you have to check the next number. Look at the next number. It is more than 5. So what do you do? Add 1 with this 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Then rest of the digits, what happens? They all become 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh. 9,56,000 is nearest to 9,60,000. So this is the steps we follow in rounding off, or in, estimating the numbers to the given place. So it is lakhs place. What we should do? Underline the lakhs place. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakhs. Which is in lakhs place? 5 is in lakhs place. Okay, now what do we do? Before the underlined, the number which comes before the underlined digit, that number as it is. Now we have to check whether we have to write the same 5 or the next number. How to check that? We have to see the next underlined digits. Check the next number. It is 8. 8 is more than 5. It is more than 5. So if it is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, you write the next digit. Okay, next number. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, we have to write the same number. This is one rule you should remember. Underline the given place, then observe the next number. If the next number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we write the next number of the underlined number. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, the next number is 1, 2, 3, 4, we write the same underlined number. This is the rule you should remember. So it is 4 as it is. Now next number is more than 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have write the next number. So which is the next number which comes after 5? That is 6. And then what happens to the rest of the numbers? 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0. So how many zeros? 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now put commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 45 lakhs, 86,253 is nearest to 46 lakhs. Okay. Okay, now let us write the steps or the rule to, estimate a number. First, what do you do? First, we underline the given place. Suppose example 253, nearest tens. You have to estimate nearest 10 means underline the given place. Given place is 10, so underline the given place. Then what do we do next? We have to observe the next number or the number which is on the right side. Right side. Observe the number on the right side of the underlined digit. So if that number is 1, 2, 3 or 4, that is less than 5, then we write the same number. We write same 5. And if that number is if the next number, we have to observe the next number, that is the number on the right side of the underlined digit. If it is 1, 2, 3 and 4, we write the same underlined digit 5. Or if the next number is, if the number on the right side is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then we write the next number. What is the next number of 5? We write 6. And the previous number as it is, and the rest of after the underlined digits, they become 0. See the 3 small things to remember while you're estimating the given number. Okay, with the help of this, we'll do the exercise sums in the next video. I hope you have understood the introduction about estimation. Thank you for watching. Thank you.